Plant young plant in a small pot. Too large pot can cause root rot due to excessive moisture around the roots. Repot in larger pot as the plant grows. Eventually, you will need a pot that is at least 24-inch wide and 22-inch high. The larger, the better. You can use a pot of any material like plastic, wood, clay, ceramic, etc. But ensure that it has many holes at its bottom to drain excess water. The standing water in the pot may kill the plant. Avoid a tall pot with narrow base to prevent toppling down as the tree grows. The fig tree will become very heavy as it grows, so consider putting your pot on wheels so that it is easier to move in sun or under cover in winter. Repotting. Spring is the best time to repot your fig plant. Repot in a pot size that is 2 sizes bigger. Sun and light. Figs require full sun to fruit. The figs love heat, and the more heat they can get, the better. So place your plant in direct sun near a metal fence or brick or concrete wall. The reflected light from them will keep the plant warm, especially during winter. Potting mix. The fig tree is adaptable to most soils, but it grows best in a potting mix with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Add lots of compost or manure in the soil to add nutrients. Add river sand to make the soil free draining. Mulch. Add a layer of mulch like sugarcane mulch to preserve moisture in the soil. Watering. Water your tree only when the top 1 inch of soil feels dry to touch. Insert your finger in the soil and check if the soil is dry. Depending on weather, you may need to water your fig once or twice a week. When fruit start to form, you may need to water more frequently. Fertilizer. Fertilize with a high nitrogen fertilizer. You can feed a fruit and citrus fertilizer every 4 weeks in spring to summer. You can also feed some manure and fish meal. Do not fertilize close to the trunk. Sprinkle along the rim of the pot and mix in soil. Then put a layer of manure and water well. I also feed a liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks during a growing period. Pruning. Pruning is generally not needed, but you can prune your fig tree during winter to keep it small and compact. Prune any diseased branches. Pests and diseases. Fig trees do not have too much pest or disease problems, but rust and leaf blight can all attack your fig tree. Harvesting. Fig trees usually produce fruits in 1 to 2 years after planting. Do not pick green figs, they are unripe. Figs do not ripen once they are off the tree, so do not pick them unripe. Pick figs when they change color from green to a dark brownish, become slightly soft and sweet smelling. Birds love figs, so you need to put your potted fig tree in a net cover. Store the figs in your fridge for 2-3 days. Getting larger fruit. Pluck off some of the young fruit so it focuses on growing larger figs. Care in winter. Apply a thick layer of mulch so the roots don't freeze. Move your tree indoors into an unheated garage or basement in winter. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to know when the new videos are uploaded. Also, please like the video.